You want to know how to make your cheap $20 wig look more appealing like this?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how.
Let's go, sis.
You see this comb right here? This gotta go. All right, get you some scissors. Cut that thing on off. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it for something else, but that gotta go. All right, so you're gonna take the first track and you're gonna cut that out. And you're gonna part it so you can leave it out for either baby hair or leave it long, but you're gonna leave this first layer out and you're gonna cut the second track behind it. See that?
Okay.
All right, so I cut the second track. That's the first track I left behind. Now you see this space right here? I cut like 2 tracks behind it so I can sew a net onto it. All right. All right, when you sew the net on, you're gonna leave some space in the front and leave some net in the back to give it some room for error. Pull the straight needle through. You're gonna wrap it around twice, the loop, and you're gonna pull it through and you're gonna tighten it. Bing. All right, get your scissors, cut the excess net in the front and the back, and that's how it's gonna look. All right, see that space right there?
Yeah, what about it?
All right, we're gonna cut the net that's from the front of the wig. You're gonna cut that out. See that?
Oh, I see.
And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do after that. All right, trust the process.
How you gonna close it?
You're gonna get the hair that you cut out, the tracks that you cut out the wig. You're gonna get that, cut the track off. You're gonna stretch the hair on the end so you can take that blunt cut out. All right, we're gonna use this hair
and do what to it?
And crochet it on the net.
Oh.
You see where I'm going with this?
I see where you're going with
this. All right, so get a small piece, put it in the latch hook, crochet it on one end, get the other side, pull it through, and there you have it.
Thank you, girl.
Now your wig a little more realistic. Follow for more.